Welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll learn the sed command in Linux, the stream editor. What is sed? Sed stands for Stream Editor. It helps you modify text in files and streams without opening them in an editor. The basic syntax is sed s/pattern/replacement/filename. Here, s means substitute. If demo.txt has the line Linux is great. Running this command replaces Linux with Unix in the output. By default, only the first match is replaced. Adding G makes it global, replacing all matches in a line. To edit the file directly, use the I option. This updates the file permanently. Sed 2d demo.txt deletes the second line. And sed /error/d log.txt removes every line containing the word error. Sed n1 3p demo.txt prints only lines 1 to 3. So that's the sed command. Quick, flexible, and powerful for text processing in Linux. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Linux command tutorials and tips.